favorite pastime now, pushing chairs. Here we go. Mommy needs to help. There we go. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Let's turn it around. Here we go. Okay, we're ready to go again. Holding something in one hand, he's trying to pull his feet in the other. Okay. You got it all again? Gotta get it all set. Now we're off and running again. Move out of the way, Abby, you're gonna get whomped. Good job. Look at you pushing the chair. Okay. You gonna turn this way? Yeah, you can turn it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's turn it again. And Mommy's not helping. She's just guiding. He's pushing the chair. Yeah? Can we turn it this way now? Good job. There you go. Yeah, okay. Can I help you? Oh, look, you're turning it yourself. Good. Yay, Ethan.